Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of removing someone from Facebook Messenger without blocking them. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook Messenger app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Then locate the conversation with the person you want to remove. Tap on the conversation to open it. In the conversation, tap on the person's profile picture or name to open their profile options. In profile options, scroll down and tap on the option Restrict. A confirmation dialog will appear informing you that restricting someone means that they won't be able to see when you are online or send you messages. Tap on Restrict to confirm. After restricting someone, you can further manage their interaction by adjusting additional settings. And that is it. You can easily remove someone from Facebook Messenger without blocking them completely. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you found it useful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.